Good morning, I am Viti. This is Grandma's Kitchen, and for today we bring a roast loin, the juiciest meat you can find. The recipe is super simple. We start with the ingredients: a 2 kilo loin strip, a tablespoon of sweet paprika, a tablespoon of dried thyme, a tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 lemons, olive oil, and of course the inexcusable salt. As always, I leave you the ingredients well detailed below in the text box. So you can take paper and pen, we note down, and as soon as you have it, we start. First step. In a bowl we will mix a generous amount of olive oil, along with the thyme, which gives it a brutal aroma, the paprika that helps with flavor, smell, and color, with the garlic powder that gives super flavor, and with the juice of the 2 squeezed lemons. We stir until we mix and integrate all the ingredients into a relatively thick liquid. There it goes, as you can see in the image, 25 seconds stirring more or less, and we will have it ready. Next step, you will see how quickly this recipe ends. Come on. The meat, we salt it on both sides, coarse salt or flaky. We have it ready because we have salted it inside the very oven-safe dish in which we are going to bake our meat. Drizzle with the prepared mixture. You can see that it looks like you can eat it just as you see it. And preheating the oven to 200 degrees, we will bake for 60 minutes. There it goes inside after 60 minutes. This is what it should look like. It's juicy on the inside but crispy and golden on the outside. Let's wait a little bit for it to cool down before we can cut it. There it is. Let's keep going. It's still hot but it's ready to cut. And that's how good our meat looks. As I said, this pork loin is the juiciest meat you can have. Super easy to prepare and it looks exquisite. You can see the outer and inner parts all well cooked. Baked pork loin, the simplest recipe to get the juiciest meat. You can't miss it, it's fantastic.